In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a downstream O2 sensor on a Nissan Maxima. This is located under the vehicle. Let's get started. Now let's remove our front wheel. We'll be using a 21mm socket to remove the 5 lug nuts. Now with our right front wheel out of the way, above the axle boot, on the engine, we're going to locate our plug for the O2 sensor. We're also going to locate this tab. We're going to push this tab down and slide the connector out. I'll be using a pick to assist on pushing down the tab. Now set it aside. Now I'm going to follow up my O2 sensor harness and locate these metal clips. I'm going to undo them using a pick. Push the clip forward and slide the harness out. Now I'm going to use my hand to disengage the second clip. I'm going to locate the lip and push down. I'm going to slide my harness out. So just push down on the metal lip of the clip with your finger and slide the harness out. Now to gain access to remove our sensor, I'm going to relocate our transmission splash shield. Just remove these 2 push pin clips. I'll be using a trim tool. Now pull it down. Now we have access to our downstream O2 sensor. It is right here next to the flex pipes on the exhaust. I'm going to break it free using a O2 sensor socket and a long ratchet. Now we can remove it by hand. Now to install our O2 sensor. Quick note, our O2 sensor has NICs applied on the threads. Be careful not to get that on the element of the sensor itself. We're going to hand thread it on the exhaust. Now let's snug it down. Now remove your ratchet. Now let's torque this down to 37 foot-pounds. Now to resecure our lower splash shield, just reinstall your 2 push-pin clips. Now to reinstall our O2 sensor harness. Grab the harness and run it on top of the clip. Now that it's secured in the clip, push them together. Do the same for the other clip. Run it up and over and push it together. Now let's move on to reinstalling our connector. Now let's reinstall our electrical connector. Just slide it in place, insert it until it clicks. Make sure it's secure. Now let's reinstall our wheel. I'm going to hand thread on my 5 21mm lug nuts. I'm going to snug these down in a crisscross pattern. Now we're going to torque these to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.